If you're getting into ham radio and want to get the most out of your Baofeng UV-32, learning how to program a repeater is one of the most useful skills you can pick up. Repeaters open up your range, help you reach local nets, and make a basic handheld feel like it suddenly grew a much bigger antenna. Today we're walking through exactly how to enter a ham radio repeater into your UV-32 using the updated menu system. Once you understand where the key settings live, this radio becomes simple to work with. Start by switching to frequency mode by pressing and holding the menu button right here. It's the button with the 3 lines in OK on it, so you can enter the frequency number directly. Type in the repeater output frequency. This is the frequency your radio listens on, the one published in the repeater directory. Next, we need to tell the radio where to transmit. Press menu, scroll to program channel, and look for menu 14 direction. Let's do that together now. We'll hit menu, go down to program channel, click OK. And I'm just going to hit 14 so it takes us right to it. Most ham repeaters use a positive or negative offset, so set this to a plus or minus depending on the repeater you're programming. Let's do that now. We'll click OK. I'm just going to hit plus on this, and it's saved by pressing the menu button. It automatically backs you out one step, and now you can go to menu 13, offset. Enter the proper offset value. In 2 meter band, you'll often see a 0.6 megahertz, and on 70 centimeters you'll normally see a 5 megahertz, but always double check what your repeater uses. So let's hit OK. We'll go into the offset, and I'll just type in 005000 and click OK or menu button again to save it. While still inside program CH, scroll to menu 6, TXCTCSS, or menu 7, TXDCS, depending on the system. Set the transmit tone the repeater requires. This is commonly called the input tone. I'll hit OK to go into it, and this one's already set to 82.5. It was just random. We can go up here 74.4. Click menu, the OK button to save it, and now that's saved. Once these 3 pieces, output frequency, offset, and tone, are all programmed correctly, your UV-32 knows everything it needs to hit the repeater. What to do, what to listen for, where to transmit, how far to shift, and which tone to send. This is the moment you've all been waiting for, where the UV-32 really pays off. A handheld on its own is limited to its antenna height, which is why simplex range can feel really short. But once you key up a repeater mounted on a tower or a mountaintop, your radio suddenly acts like it's broadcasting from hundreds or thousands of feet above your city. The repeater hears your low power handheld and repeats your signal at full power from a much better location. That lets you check into nets, join local clubs, participate in emergency drills, or just talk with friends across town like they're right next door. And that's all there is to it. Once you understand where frequency, offset, and tone live inside the UV-32's updated menu system, programming a repeater becomes second nature. Set it up right, save it to a channel, and you're ready for everyday use, emergency communication, or just exploring the local ham radio community. If this free educational video helped you get more comfortable with your UV-32, please hit like and subscribe so I can keep making more radio guides just like this. Thanks for watching.